Welcome back to BridgeCom University. Today we are going to be installing the CPS on our computer that will allow us to program our brand new BridgeCom Maverick radio. So let's go ahead and get started. So in your computer, the first thing you'll want to do is open up a web browser. So I'm going to open up one here, and we are going to go to bridgecomsystems.com. Now from here you'll want to go to the support tab, and we're going to scroll down until we see product support. Now underneath here you'll be able to find the software for your radio. Now this is actually a pre-production radio, so we don't have the software published at the time of recording this. But when you get your radio, the software will be up here on the website. Now I've already gone ahead and downloaded my software, so I've got it here on the desktop. Now your file is likely going to come in a folder. So you'll have an executable file that looks something like this. It may have a different number, a newer revision, but the same thing is going to apply. So we're going to go ahead and double click on this and select our language. And here we go. It wants to install it on the C drive. That's perfect. Earlier revisions, sometimes it would try to install on weird drives in your computer. But it looks like with the Maverick, it just wants to go to the C drive, so that's fantastic. But if for some reason it doesn't, make sure you change it to a drive that's used on your computer, such as the C drive. There we go, perfect. And you can go ahead and create a desktop shortcut if you'd like. I would definitely recommend it. And go ahead and install. Then at this point, if we want to open it up, just leave that checked and click Finish. And perfect, here we go. So we've got our software. Everything is ready to go here, the Maverick software. It's even got the BridgeCom logo. How cool is that? There you have it. We've got our software installed on our computer. Now we are ready to start programming our radio.